Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing a very simple, easy, and frugal DIY. This DIY is perfect for little children that love to have pretend play. To create this DIY, I'm just using some leftover snack boxes. You can also use empty boxes of pasta or empty boxes of rice. Now to seal these boxes closed for pretend play, you're going to need a hot glue gun. You can choose to use tape if you want to, but if you want this DIY to last for approximately a week or longer, a hot glue gun would work best. My daughter got her very first kitchen set just this past Christmas, and watching her pretend play inspired me to do this DIY. Now, although we bought her a lot of play food that includes little play bottles of sauce and little boxes of food, as well as her own utensils to cook with, I find that like most children her age, they still want to use the real things that we use every day in our kitchens. It's no different from a play phone. They still want to use our cell phones, even if we buy them the newer lifelike cell phones that are toys, they still want the real thing. A few weeks ago, I gave her this empty box of cheeses. As you can see, I used tape, and you see how much tape I had to use to keep that box secure. So as of today, I'm sure that tape has been peeled off by now, and that's the great thing about this easy DIY. It's very frugal, and when the kids trash the boxes in their play pretend centers, you can just recycle it, no money lost, and the kids can just keep getting new things to keep their imaginations inspired. A good thing about using boxes like this fruit roll-up box is that it's already easy to open and close it. And then you don't have to worry about using a hot glue gun or tape. This is the kitchen set that we got for our daughter just this past Christmas. It's made by kidkraft and it cost us approximately $130. One thing that we like about it, and she loves about it, is that it makes a pretend ice sound and water dispenser sound from the refrigerator. This kitchen set does not come with any accessories to it, so we bought a lot of play food. We also bought a lot of dish sets and spoons and forks. And what I found was that a lot of the play food sets that they sell online and in the stores are made out of cardboard boxes. So when kids are playing with them, they're not going to be as gentle as, the makers of these products, I guess, assume. So the boxes are always going to end up being folded and bent, and then you'll just end up throwing them away and purchasing them all over again. That's the great thing about this easy DIY, is that you no longer have to go out and buy extra boxes. You can just use leftover items from your kitchen so that your child can play freely and just recycle them when they're done. As you can see, she's got her kitchen all set up. She's got her play food in there. This is her little oven that she pretends to bake in. Now, I would encourage you to still buy a few play food items. The plastic kind are more durable. Some of her little play food items included play pizza and play cupcakes and play chicken, as you can see on the stove top. And those things last a little bit longer. And in her little play kitchen, you can see a few boxes that she's already started to use. Now, she took that Pringles can into her kitchen. I made sure that there were no crumbs in it. And this play peanut butter set is made by Fisher-Price. It has a really cool, realistic feel to it that makes you think about the smooth texture of peanut butter. Now, as you can see, she's got her kitchen almost fully stocked using some of those easy DIY items that I just showed you. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a like and consider subscribing. And also please visit my blog at www.themommy365.com.